I'm going to show you this battery charger. It's an intelligent charger. It's 12 volts for your cars or motorcycles. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I can do an unbox and do an install and charge the battery on my motorcycle. It's been sitting for a year or so. We'll go look at it. It's got a display. It's got multiple modes. It's 6 amps, which is powerful enough to charge a battery in your cars. It'll just take a little longer than the other old ones that were 12 amps. But once again, it's also got a pulse repair mode where it'll supposedly break up the sulfides in the batteries for lead acid batteries. Don't use this on lithium batteries, but it'll work on lead acid and water batteries and gel, AMG batteries, things like that. So we're going to take it over and plug my motorcycle in and play with it a little bit. Alright, well this is cool. I plugged it into my Jeep, which is a car and truck battery, and it shows it's charging 6 amps. It shows it's 30 degrees centigrade. 13.9 volts is what it's putting into it. It shows it's charging here. So basically it's showing the batteries 2/3 charged, going up to full charge. I can switch to modes here. This is a motorcycle trickle charge, which I don't want that. That'd be 3 volts. And this is the pulse sulfur. Elimination in the battery, but I want to just go back to the car. Alright, I want to show you this 12 volt intelligent car charger, motorcycle charger, battery charger. It's for use with all lead acid battery. It does not work on lithium, so don't try that. Explicitly says that. It's got lots of modes on it. For a car, it'll charge up to 6 amps. Which is a pretty good charge. I remember my great big chargers used to be 12 amps for 12 volts. Doesn't switch between 12 or 24 volts, which we don't really need. Super easy to use. We just plug it in and we clamp the clamps, red to red, black to black, positive, negative. There's different modes. Nice and compact. Looks like pretty good quality. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so I can do an unboxing and a review, and we're going to